In the beginning, there was silence. A world full of wonders, yet there was no one to name them. He was the first question addressed to the void, a reflection of the sky in still water. And one day, the silence answered. She appeared not as an echo, but as a melody. If he was the form, she became the breath that filled that form with life. Their first meeting was not just an encounter of two figures. It was the moment the universe looked at itself from the outside for the very first time. In his eyes, she saw the world. In her eyes, he saw himself for the first time. Together they learned to speak. But the very first word to find its meaning was each other's name. Adam and Eve. Their story is an entire world. And this legacy lives on within each of us. In every glance, in every touch, in every new we. The journey is merely a prologue. Your story begins now.